How to fix Google Chrome is not responding on your Windows. Hello everyone and let's get started. So if you are getting the issue with Google Chrome, here is few solutions that you can apply. First of all, open your Google Chrome and tap on the three dots. Here are a list of options. On the bottom you will see settings. Tap on it. Now from here you have to click on reset settings. If you cannot find it, you can just tap on the search bar for the reset settings and scroll to the bottom. Then after, tap on the reset settings button. However, you do not have to worry about bookmarks, history and saved password, as none of this will be altered. So once you have resetted the settings, you can go for the next one, which is about Chrome. Click on it and make sure that the Chrome is up to date. If not, you can report a problem as well from the report a problem section. The next settings that you need to work on is the extensions downloaded. So for this, you can go back and tap on the three dots again and then tap on extensions settings. Tap on manage extensions and remove all the unnecessary extensions from your Google Chrome. You just have to tap on the remove button and that's it. So after doing this, you can restart your Google Chrome and check if the issue has been fixed. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.